We have observed that many of our youngsters are addicted to mobile phones and spend less time doing sports. How should we encourage them to play less games on mobile phones?
You see, it is a matter of realization of your duties. If you realize that your main objective and duty is to set good examples and don't waste your time, instead of get addicted to mobile phone and internet games and other things, it is a matter of understanding. So every Ahmadi should understand that his main obligation is to offer 5 time daily prayers. And not only offering 5 time daily prayers just for the sake of offering prayer, but to achieve the love of Allah, the Almighty. So when you realize your duty, when a boy who is of mature age, he realizes the purpose of his existence is the worship of Allah, the Almighty, then he will give preference to the main thing. And then after having completed those things, if he gets some time, he can play with the mobile games or other things, but the parents should also be watchful and they should watch all the time what their children are doing. See, a child 10 years of age should not spend more than 1 hour on games. Outside games are much better than the mobile games that can help you better your health. It is the duty of the parents as well. They should watch their children are not spending much time and make them realize with love and kindness that they have some purpose and they should try to achieve that purpose instead of wasting time on mobile games. Right? I don't say that you should not play mobile games. There are quite a number of games which can help you increase your knowledge. And there are some games which are just wastage of money. You just get addicted to those games. Fortnite and something like that. They are all useless games. So you should not spend money and time on those. If your parents are watchful and you yourself have realized this, it is a mature age, you should realize your responsibility that being a waqf, you should not waste your time. Spend most of the time in reading instead of getting addicted yourself into the bad games, right? I can only advise, I have been doing it in my khutbahs and other sermons, so those who listen to my khutbahs and properly, attentively listen to it, then they will definitely change their minds and change their habits. And it has happened among so many Waqf children, those have even written to me that after listening to your khutbah, we have stopped playing the games and such things. So it's a matter of realization. And now you are mature, you should realize it.